Saya Aditya Prasetya Nasaru dari Gorontalo Walo. Saya selaku leader Gorontalo Walo. Kami akan melakukan weekend ke Pulau Saronde pada hari ini dan kami sudah menyiapkan bahan-bahan yang kami akan bawa ke Pulau Saronde. Ada coba sini saudara, via Saronde yang berjudul Eng dengan ada ikan putih, ada ikan ayam dan ikan kali ya, seperti itu saudara. Dan ada juga lagi yang lain di base camp kami, base camp Gorontalo Walo dengan anggota kami. Saya akan menuju ke base camp Gorontalo Walo, nanti tutup terus kami. Hai guys, kembali lagi bersama saya sebagai leader Walo. Inilah teman-teman atau anggota Walo kami. Nanti ini base camp Gorontalo Walo. Mari kita masuk. Ini keadaan Gorontalo Walo base camp kami. Ini ada saudara saya Maman, ada saudara saya lagi Aki, dan inilah tempat kesenangan, kesedihan, kesusahan sini akan ada. Dan ada saudara satu itu,
saya perkenalkan nama saya Masya Wawalo, salah satu wawancara dari channel Wawalo. Semoga perjalanan kita kali ini bisa bermanfaat dan bisa bermanfaat kita semua.
ini saudara saya yang Alhamdulillah guys, teman kami, kedatangan kami Gorontalo Walo menuju Pulau Saronde. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Aditya Prasetya dari Gorontalo Walo. Ya, alhamdulillah kami sudah di tempat tujuan, taman wisata Pulau Saronde. Mari guys, ikut terus perjalanan kami.
Many days fell away with nothing to show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? We were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your pulse as the dust settled around us, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes,
dari anggota Walo semua. Dan kita sekarang kita untuk press model yang lain ini, untuk apa lagi DP model, pokoknya semua orang bikin model di sini. Mari guys, ikut yes. Ya, inilah keadaan dari Gorontalo Walo. Ada Bang Nova Saputra dari admin Gorontalo Walo. Tidak bisa dihitung satu persatu. Dan aktivitas sekarang ini terang mandi-mandi, renang-renang. Pokoknya bagi anggap
feel like nothing changed at all. And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? If you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? I had a dream, so being loud. I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands up to the sky. We danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
DPR ini rasa manis. Manis ya.
That's a move with friends, and then the sun came crashing in.
Air bebas sekali. DPR sini rasa tawar.
All the possibilities live in just epiphanies. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, just don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. I hear it calling outside my window. I feel it in my soul. The stars were burning so bright, the sun was out till midnight. I say we lose control. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. Everything is looking up, everybody up now. This is gonna be the best day. Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical kryptonite, helpless to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, shut up and dance with me. Now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. When the days are cold and the cards are
Mungkin kami Gorontalo
we see
semoga tahun kemudian kami tetap saya.
And the ones we hail are the worst of all, and the bloods run stale.
I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Don't get too close, it's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Curtains call us the last of all. When the lights fade out, all the sinners crawl.
So they